Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be setting up the last week in this year's horizontal planner. This is Monday, December 26th through Sunday, January 1st. I know, I tripped up on saying the word January because it just doesn't seem real or possible. So the theme I'm going to go with this week is a new year, go out with a bang, strutting into the new year. Yeah, so we're going with New Year. The going out with a bang in particular made me think of some of the stickers in the brand new KaiserCraft Winter Icons sticker book, because she's got several holidays in here. There's Valentine's Day stuff, just general winter snowy stuff. But these stickers here, so many of them have fireworks, her New Year's set. That made me think of going out with a bang. So we're going to use this set for this spread. Lots of the ones that have, like I said, the fireworks. And I definitely want to start with a box sticker down here to cover up this week. Now, I end up pretty much always following the same zigzag pattern on where I put my stuff in this planner. So this week I thought maybe I would try to do something completely different. So what I want to do is put all my stickers on this side over here and all my stickers on this side over here. So on the right side of both pages, and just kind of make one continuous design up the side. The other thing I like to do in this sticker book, since I use this for hand lettering inspirational quotes, I like to include a couple of boxes for who to attribute the quote to. So we're going to do that as well, just kind of tie them in to what I'm doing. So I'm going to pick this one because this is the first day of 2023, Sunday, and this box is going to stick up. I'm not going to worry about notes. What I usually put down here is one word that all the quotes kind of tie into. So when I do a search, I'll do, for example, this could be new. And so I would do a search on the internet for inspirational quotes, new, and just see what comes up and pick short quotes that go with that theme. So I'm going to just go ahead and put this. Do I want to put anything else with it? Layer it with anything. But so I put two boxes on each page. So when I come across those, they work. Let's see. I'm just wondering if I want to bring this up some and put something under it, because what I want to do is layer one of those boxes with the top part of the sticker there. So I could use like a sticker made for an edge or a corner. Is there a smaller corner than that? These look a tiny bit smaller. There's an edge. I could put this maybe here. I could turn that. Okay, let's turn that into a corner. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this sticker, and instead of putting it all the way across, I'm going to cut it in half. Let's park that. Grab my big scissors so I can get all the way through in one cut. Just kind of pick the center point. I'm just going to do one quick, clean, decisive cut, because I'm much more likely to get a straight cut if I do it that way. And now, hopefully I was at about 90 degrees when I did that. Corner of my page is bent. There we go. Okay, so that helps a little. Now I feel like this can go up a little higher. Okay, now let's pick a box sticker to go with it. I'll try to remember to use that. Okay, so I want 4 box stickers the same size, so that basically leaves me with these two. So let's use a copy of each on each side. So we'll grab this one too while we're here. And that's, yep, that's a different set. Okay, we'll need those. Let's put yellow over this since the majority of the sticker is that pink color. I think I want to just kind of bring it, I want to kind of stay in this zone as I work my way up. So let's kind of bring this up here. Okay. What next? I think I want to group it like this, something tall, and then I'll put the other box way up at the top. So let's use this one. Get my super pointy tweezers to get it started. I need fireworks. There's lots of bursting there. I think I want to go ahead and cover some of this line with whiteout. Just because it's, so I haven't mentioned that, but there's lots of green on the page and my stickers have no green, but that's okay. So I'm just kind of putting it down under the box sticker. There we go. Oh, you know what? I needed to white out that one. It's a really tall sticker. Let's see if we can peel it up and get some white out under there. It's not wanting to cooperate. I mean, I'm going to stick it right down in the same spot, so it's okay if it rips a little bit the page. Okay, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. Now we got to get this one up here. Do I want, I could use this other corner up here. Maybe we'll do that. It'll kind of start a theme if I put this one up here. Oh yeah. I just got to see how far out do I need to bring my white out. I'll go ahead and do it. This might be a quick one. So this is the other half of that sticker that I cut in half at the very beginning. Okay, and then we can just connect the two little clusters with this last box. So I got this one turned this way, so let's turn this one this way. There, all right. I kind of want, I'm going to put one of these, so my whiteout came out a little too far. Let's grab one of these fireworks and kind of stick that in that little gap there. Now I need to come out even further with my whiteout. That's okay. Honestly, I'm focused on it right now, but it's gonna melt away and I'll barely notice it. There. Okay, that looks pretty good. All right, so I want at least one box sticker over here. I'm thinking maybe up into this area to kind of give me some, maybe even all the way up here to give me some balance versus that one. So first thing we need to do is figure out what box sticker it's going to be. So let's go back to that page. I kind of like the balloons. So I don't want a pink based one, neither of these, because I got the big pink hit there. Maybe this one, the big bunch of balloons. I mean, I have some there, but the other thing I could do is go with florals. I'm almost thinking, let's see, a gray one, and I could turn it upside down and then bring a box sticker off of that part of it. Let's do that. Because the other thing is, if I go with yellow, and I'm thinking like chess player, right? Think several steps ahead. I've got pink here, so the next box I want is going to be yellow here, so they're not pink and pink. But if I use a yellow box, then I'm not going to want to put the yellow box sticker with it, right? So I need something not yellow. So that got me all the way to, hey, let's use this gray one. If you followed all of that. And we can put it maybe this way. Or do I want it this way? With the yellow box over top. I think I'm going to end up wanting it this way with the yellow box over top. Okay, so, but I don't want to just stick it and then have an awkward shaped space. I need to work my way down to it. So what can we put, knowing that the yellow sticker is going to go with it, what can we put above it? It's not the big bunch of balloons. So is there another big bunch of balloons? I like the big bunch of gifts. Gifts. There's a big bunch of balloons. That could go above it. I could put a big 2023 up there. Because the bonus is that I've got this little extra bit of space way up high. But that's really, really ginormous. I think I want the bunch of balloons. Because I was going to go with that bunch of balloons in a box paper sticker form. And now since I didn't, I think I want it here instead. So if we bring this right up close to the discs and all the way up, let's throw some white out on there. And if I need to tame down some white out, I can just throw more random fireworks over it. But that looks like I got it pretty darn close. Okay, and then, okay, I want to hold that back. I want it to fall over top, I think, of this. Okay, so I was just trying to get close to the punch, but not cover it. Now we'll put this down. Okay, and then last but not least, we'll put the yellow. Let's go grab that yellow. Here we go, our last 2 box stickers. So we'll park the red one on the back of my hand. And the yellow one's going to go in here. So, I need to make it clear by its position whether it goes to Monday or Tuesday. So I think I definitely want it to go down further, down here, so it's not too in line. And now I'm thinking, since that's so close to the edge, do I want it to go over top of the sticker? I don't think I do. It's got such a wide, clear bit. I don't think I do. So let's just put this like that. There we go. And then I can fill that in maybe with another, like I said, another go out with a bang, another firework. Yeah. Okay. So far so good. Down to here. I think our last box needs to go way, way down. So let's keep working our way down. I really want the champagne on there somewhere. This is a nice grouping. Could that sit right there? It could. With the champagne glasses. We gotta have the champagne glasses on there somewhere, you know? Okay, so I think I want to bring it down, all the way down. So let's put this one kind of here. A little bit wonky. When I got this way up to where it overlapped that a little bit, it made that straight edge super, super obvious, and I didn't like that. So I think I want a little bit of space. Okay, let's white this out. About to there. And I think I want to slip the clear edge of this sticker under the box. Close to the punches again. Perfect. Except there's a gap in it. Okay, so now I just need to fill this in a little tiny bit. I think just another firework. I could put a really, really big one on there. I almost need a big one to get all the way across that space. I think I want it under the clock though, because it's going to muddy that up too much if I don't. But it can go on top of the paper sticker. Just something to kind of bridge that gap and make it look continuous. There, I think it's done. I told you this would be a fast one. Yeah, that's pretty good. I like that. It's different. It's not my normal. So let's go ahead and put it on the discs, right? At the very, very, very back of my archive. There we go. And then I'll go ahead and show you one of these that's already filled out, just so you get some idea. So I'm trying to figure out, I want my lettering videos, my lettering tutorials are going away, my Sunday videos next year, but I want to start filling these out. So if you have some suggestions on how I can do that, and it won't be boring, let me know, because I don't know how to do it without it getting just repetitive and boring. So there's a cute one, there's kitties. So what I do, Team Cat was the subject for all of these. So I just said inspirational quotes cat in my search criteria. And I got all of these quotes. So kittens are angels with whiskers. Alexis Flora Hope. So when, I like to give credit where credit is due. So when they tell me who the famous person is that they attribute that quote to, I put it in the little box. So you can see 2 on that side, 2 on that side. All the pens I chose match the colors in the stickers. So it looks very, very cohesive. I love the way it turns out. I started this planner for a couple of reasons, because I had a horizontal that I wanted to use and I didn't know what to use it for. Because I was hesitating to actually use my newfound brush lettering skills in my main planner, because you can't erase. And C, because just spending a little bit of time a couple times a week or once a week reading inspirational quotes has definitely, at least for me, a positive effect on my feelings and attitude. So it's definitely something fun to do. So I'm going to use all of these spreads from 2022 next year, because they'll only be off by 1 number. And it's going to be really fun to just flip to a spread and see. So let's look at January, the first spread. Here we go. So I can look at this and just choose like winter as my theme word, and then start looking up quotes. So anyway, I hope you like this video. I hope it gives you some ideas on how to break through that hesitation on using brush lettering skills more. It gives you an idea how to use a horizontal planner. It could be gratitude, it could be journaling, it could be, you don't have to be working on brush lettering to choose to write inspirational quotes every week. It's just a fun, nice way to utilize a planner. So if you do like this video, please consider liking, subscribing, commenting, dropping me a smiley face in the comments. All of those interactions with my videos help me with the YouTube algorithm and are a great way to support me and help me grow my channel. Thank you.